if we are going, because till now we have not gone through a startup lanes, to be honest, and we really want to maybe invest in few more companies now. So if we are going through a startup lanes, is there any kind of a surety in terms of, or a guarantee in terms of the returns which we get it through startup lanes?
Yes, actually, we have created, I will not call it guarantee, but I will, I would like to term it as an assurance. So we generally have this contract with the founders to buy back the equity within maximum 3 years, right? With some we have 2 years agreement, with some we have 3, and with some we have 4 years agreement to buy back the equity at least at 25% appreciation. And this happens with personal guarantee. That means even if the company gets shut down, founders will sell off their assets, personal assets, car, house, whatever, and have to buy back this equity. This is very strict agreement that we do with the founders. This might appear to be very mean, but it is not, because generally if the founders are very much confident about their startups, they never ever fear out on these things. They sign up such contracts, and at least see, 25% in 3 years is not the amount for which a founder will at which an investor will invest. So obviously, this is just a protection of the capital, which we try to, in case this company also shut down, the founders become bankrupt, then only your capital will be lost. In normal cases, we try to protect the capital, and that is the reason out of 123 fundings we have done, no company has been shut down. Not yet.
So that's great.